Hi, welcome to the world of artificial intelligence. Today's topic is natural language processing in picture blocks. We are going to create a virtual teacher in picture blocks Python's interface. So what is a virtual teacher? Typically refers to an AI powered or technology based system, and it simulates the role of a teacher in providing educational content, instructions, guidance, and even sometimes assessment to learners in a digital or online environment. So we are going to become a mastermind in the world of text analysis. So what is text analysis? Very simple. Process of extracting meaningful information and insights from written text or spoken text. Simple, right? Let's sign into programming. Let's open picture blocks. So let's first choose a backdrop. I need the backdrop as some school background, something. Okay, I'm going to take the chalkboard. Okay, it's done. So Toby is here. I want some more students. So let's duplicate Toby. Quickly we'll do that. Okay, done. And then let's have a teacher. So I'm going to use a teacher. Yeah, I downloaded this. Yes. Let's little bit increase the size of the teacher. That's all. Fine. The teacher is ready. Correct. And then let's choose the backdrops. Let's go to the backdrops. We can add some text here. I want to add a text here. Virtual teacher. Simply I'm giving virtual teacher. Okay, so you can add any text here. And let's change the color of the text somewhere around white. You can change the font. I'm making it to curly. Right. Make it a little bigger if you want. Yeah, my backdrop is ready. Okay, so let's start doing. So now the classroom is ready. Virtual. Actually, we don't have a classroom, but still, okay, fine. The background is ready. Let's start the coding part. First thing we are going to do is text recognition. So text recognition is the extension of picture blocks application. Okay, so let's write tr is equal to text recognition. Okay, done the first part. So this text recognition is used to recognize the text, because we are going to recognize the text only, right? Now we have to import time also, because we are going to use sleep function to make it wait for something. So let me use import time here. The module has to be imported before using the sleep function, because sleep function is available under the time module. Now to turn on, we have to turn on the video to recognize the text, right? So let me write tr dot video. Okay, I'm going to give on flipped. If you want, you can give transparency. It is not required, but I'm going to try with transparency. So this on flipped is used to will help you to understand the text without mirrored. Okay, so that's what we are using on flipped. So this is used, this tr.video command is used to scan your text. The next thing, we are going to give the conditions. So so if the text given by a student is about for a particular topic, or what is trigonometry, then the teacher has to answer accordingly. Suppose if the student is asking about astronomy, what is astronomy? Then the teacher has to answer the question. So we have to give it in a loop. So all these things has to be repeated as long as my program is executing. So I'm going to use a while loop also, so that throughout the execution of the program, all the if conditions will be executed. One more thing I want to add is text to speech also. If you want, you can add, but I'm not going to use text to speech here, so I'm not going to use it. So let's start with while true. Okay, so if tr dot handwritten text result, okay, that's what we are going to use, handwritten text results. So whatever the text is recognized, you can see here handwritten text result is equal to, so I'm going to ask a question to the teacher, what is oxygen? So you can give your own content. Okay, if it is oxygen, give a colon. This is my condition. The sprite should say I'm going to type within quotes. Okay, oxygen is a gas. I just copied and pasted it because there's no time to complete. Okay, so this, if you want the sprite to tell some more things about oxygen, you can write again sprite dot say. Okay, done. So this is when the text return is oxygen, the sprite will say about oxygen. The teacher will explain about oxygen. Okay, now we'll go to the next condition. Elif. Okay, I'm going to use elif tr dot handwritten text results is equal to let's say some I forgot to give string. It has to be str function. Okay, string of, because it has to be converted to a string. So str of quadratic equation okay, then sprite dot say I'd be happy to help you with quadratic equations. And again sprite dot say. Okay, so what are the messages has to be typed? You can do it, right? Again sprite dot say. So n number of explanations for a particular topic can be given. Okay, so this is done. Similarly, what are the topics you want to explain? You can explain it here. Let me add some more topics quickly. So let me add once more elif, and now I'm going to check. Okay, let's say photosynthesis. Okay, now the sprite has to explain, the teacher has to explain about photosynthesis. So we have to type sprite dot say and type the contents. Okay, so I have typed the content for photosynthesis also. Again, if I want to add one more elif, we can add it. So elif you can copy the same thing. Okay, handwritten dot text string of, I'm going to type oops concept. Okay, OOPS, it should be within quotes. Then it has to, the sprite has to say, so okay, so again sprite dot say, done. I'm positioning, enter. So let's stop with this, and then finally let's write the else part. Okay, else sprite dot say, hello, can you please tell me the topic you want to know about? Any message. Okay, that's all. We are done with the coding part. Simple, right? Okay, now let's save the program and then let's execute. Okay, so I'm saving. So this is NL processing. Okay, I'm just giving a name, saving. So we have saved our project. Now let's execute it. So let's execute the program. I'm maximizing. Okay, so let me use run all. I'm showing this. Warning for me, so you can see, I think. Yeah, photosynthesis is the process, that's what it was telling me. So next thing, I'm going to use, oops, it's not recognizing. Okay, let me try. So let me try the other thing. Oxygen. Yes, oxygen is a gas that makes up. It's essential for supporting life. It's displaying the content. So I'll show one more try. Let's have. Now I'm going to give quadratic equation. Yes, right? Interesting, right? That was interesting, right? Hope you must have enjoyed the natural language processing in PictoBlox Python's interface. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for your encouragement and patience. Good luck.